So here we go. So the outline of today's webinar is we'll be introducing CRM Dialer. What is CRM Dialer? And what is the customer expectations in the present digital age? How can CRM Dialer help you to increase your success rate, sales success rate, as well as the customer satisfaction levels with the centralized customer information? We'll also have a live demo of the CRM Dialer, which will be followed by the question and answer sessions. So here we go. So we'll start off with what is a CRM Dialer? It's very simple. If you are already having a astTECS IPPBX, all you need to do is to plug in a CRM to the IPPBX and it becomes CRM Dialer. We call it CRM Dialer because this CRM is made to, it's aligned to the PBX. It is made to fit to the IPBX so that both works together as a single product. That's why we call it a CRM Dialer. Not only the IPBX, even your call center dialer also can be integrated to the CRM. So primarily you have two software running on two hardware, and these need to be connected with suitable architecture. So you can have, this is one of the recommended architecture of a CRM Dialer. You can have your IPPBX in your office and the CRM on the cloud, and both can be integrated through internet through a static IP. So this is one kind of architecture. You can have both CRM and the IPPBX on your premise, and the users can log in from remote branches through the VPN. So this is another kind of architecture. Or you can have both on the cloud. You can have CRM on the cloud, the dialer also on the cloud. Dialer can have the trunk, either VoIP or your normal telecom line, and users can log in from anywhere and transact through the CRM. Okay, so this is the basic architecture of the CRM Dialer. You have a CRM and a telephone system, and both are plugged together to make it CRM Dialer. So what happens when you use a CRM Dialer? So this is a typical CRM page of a customer page of a CRM or a lead page of a CRM. I'll be running a demo after this just to show you, to explain you how CRM Dialer works. On the customer page, you can click on the phone number. When you click on the phone number, the phone pops up. You can answer the phone, and automatically there is a customer info page also. Pop-up also happens on the right-hand side. You can update the calls and save it. And as a result, what happens? You find all your customer interactions, the calls you made, the disposition you made, with the recordings, with the entire business data of the customer in one single page. Okay, I'll be showing you this very detailed in the demo. Primarily, you'll have what you're right now seeing is the calls. You'll have all opportunities, the contacts, the past interactions, the quotations, billing, and you can, from here itself, you can communicate either through email. You can schedule a meeting. You can run a WhatsApp. You can send a SMS, whatever. So everything available on a single one page. So this is the beauty of the CRM Dialer. This is how the CRM Dialer differentiates from a normal dialer. Okay. So now, before I come to the demo part, I just wanted to cover upon what are the customer expectations today. This is a pure management slide. Now, primarily, the customer, this is actually based on a management study. The customer requires more personalization in their interactions. Primarily, a personalized offer and recommendation is recommended for a sale closure. See, 10 years back, you could close a deal. You could close a deal by dialing a random number. Hence, you had auto dialers, predictive dialers, which were designed to ensure you get a maximum number of calls connected. But today, the situation has changed. The agent must understand the customer profile before he makes a call, so that the sale closure happens. So these are the changes that has happened over the last 10 years on the customer expectation on how a business should interact with the customer. And Next part is actually the omni-channel experience. Like the customer interacts with the company through many channels, calls, website, WhatsApp, email. So when an agent is interacting with a customer on the call, he should know what the other interactions that has happened in the other channels real time. And a CRM dialer will permit this kind of interaction for the customer, which will effectively help you to close a deal. And the third is actually the speed and convenience. Like if a customer logs onto your website, immediately it hits the CRM and a call goes from the agent. The sale is almost done. And that's only possible when you have a CRM dialer. So this is how a CRM dialer definitely differentiates from a normal call center solution or a dialer. So coming to the CRM, now every CRM for CRM for every industry has got its specifics. You cannot use a CRM designed for a particular industry to another industry. So it is important that we need to design a CRM specific to an industry. And that is the expertise we have at astTECS, where we customize the CRM specific to an industry. So primarily we have these verticals. The first vertical is actually the standard sales and service CRM for a B2B business, on which I will be running a demo. Okay. So primarily these are the standard screenshots. This is you find in your dashboard, you'll find leads, opportunities, sales analytics, and these are the sales analytics part, and also service also. These are the total tickets, whatever activity that has been done. So this is purely a sales and service CRM. I'll come back to it during my demo on this. Okay. So like I said, in the customer page, when you have all this information available, your sales success rate is definitely going to go up, and your customer satisfaction level is going to be high, because you are covering every aspect of the customer when you are interacting with the customer. And that is what the CRM dialer is designed for any businesses. The second industry vertical is for financial services, where we have customized solutions for debt recovery as well as for loan sales or loan aggregators. So these also customized, and we have instances running for many businesses in India and abroad. So these are typical dashboard for a debt recovery manager dashboard. This is for a telecaller loan recovery dashboard, where he can see what is the total locations which are there, what needs to call, how many calls he has to make, how many are promised to pay. All kind of information is available on the dashboard. And this is the typical customer page or a disposition page, where you can say what is I made a first reminder and what is the disposition I made, which I'll be also be showing in the demo time permitting. Okay, so this is something which we are designed for financial services. And the third industry vertical is actually the automobile dealers. So this is for automobile dealers for their sales, as well as for the service follow-up, and also for insurance renewal. So we have customized the CRM for typically for an automobile sector, where you can follow up for sales, the service, as well as for insurance renewal. This is a typical dashboard of auto CRM for service. How many vehicles are due for service as on date for the next 30 days, that kind of information. And what is due, what is not come. All kind of information is available on the dashboard. And this is the service history. The system maintains a service history, when the service is done, when is next due. And accordingly, it will schedule the service follow-up calls and ensure that the vehicle comes to the showroom for service and it is serviced, and the next service is also scheduled. So this is the automobile sector. Then comes your education, migration services, and visa, for which also we have a customized solutions. This is a typical dashboard for a migration and visa processing, where you know how many leads are there. Leads are getting captured from different sources. How much is converted for what kind of country, what kind of visa, that, and what is the status, whether they're eligible, not eligible. All kind of processes are done in the CRM itself. So this is a finance tracker for migration services, where the customer makes payment in stages, and you are tracking it, how much is due, how much it will be paid, at what stage, whether the visa has come, whether the documentation is completed. Accordingly, the system tracks the every process of the migration. So these all customized solutions for which we have already have it. So these are the list actually. We say sales and service with inventory, vendor, and project management. We have for financial services, automobile dealers, education services, migration study abroad, and these are jewelry showrooms, and these are ready to go live. We have a we have a business coming up, and this particular industry vertical, the solution gets live within 7 to 30 days. That is the time slot we define for a go live of a solution. And we have expertise to customize for a new industry verticals also. Suppose if you want a purely customized solutions, that can be done, but that will take little more time because the customization has to happen. But that is the expertise we have at astTECS, where we can customize a solution for the different industry verticals. So, coming back to why astTECS. Now, unlike other CRM solutions where most of the CRM solutions are subscription based, where you pay on a per user, per month or per year basis, here we offer the solution as own your CRM with the source code. We are giving you a CRM software, which is yours. You can customize it, you can make changes, and it is a total ownership of the solution at affordable cost. It's a one-time cost with 1 year support. Thereafter, there will be a minor support SLA cost. So this is the modus operandi of how astTECS deliver the CRM Dialer solutions. So when you have such a solution, there is no restrictions on the number of users. You can make your customers also log into the CRM and transact on their page. You can customize to any very specific business, and we charge very nominal customization cost. And also it can be integrated to any third-party tools, WhatsApp, your dialer accounts tool, any tool can be, any third-party software can be integrated to your social media. And it's also most ideal CRM for any business. That's the solution what we provide. So we will now come to the live demo of the solutions. Okay. Hope my screen is visible. The dashboard.
Yes.
Okay, right. So this is the dashboard of a demo instance running on the cloud. So this is a instance that is customized for a basic B2B, business to business sales service with inventory and project management. So this is all-in-all solution, which we are selling at a very affordable rates. This will be integrated to a telecalling system also. So this is the primary dashboard of a administrator, where actually you know what is my meetings. This is also integrated to the email. My email is seen here. My calendar is there. I can also see a user manual. I can also raise any queries. In case I have a query, I can raise it to the administrator to respond to it. This is my sales page, which shows how many leads, how many are under proposal, how many are under negotiation. This is how many are converted, how many are dead, and what are the follow-up due, what are the pending calls. This is a service part. What are the total? Actually, this system is a demo instance. There is no much data. So 12 customers, 5 open tickets, how many are closed, that kind of information. And plus, we have a lot of training videos also embedded in the dashboard, so that any new user can view the video and transact and know how to transact on the CRM. There is no specific training required. These training videos and these user manuals are sufficient for any new user to transact on the CRM. So on the left, what you see actually all the modules in the CRM. So here we have sales process actually. So generally B2B, we start with a lead. There are opportunities, then you convert them into a contact and account or organization. So this is the sales process which are configured. These are the activities which are calls, emails, meetings, WhatsApp, SMS, tasks, and everything is actually on tablet on the calendar. And these are the financials where actually you send the quotations. There's a sales order, the invoicing, and the payments. And we also have a marketing where we can actually track your campaigns and and your target list. So this is a marketing tool also is available. This system has got built-in email mass emailing campaigns. You can actually run your email campaigns in the CRM on a target list. So this is the marketing, and this is a service we have support. The tickets modules are there, various tickets, various status, and we also have an inventory module where products, the quotation, sales order, invoices. These are the purchases. These are the transfers from various warehouses to another warehouses. These are your inventories, and also we have a supplier management also is there.
Okay.
Audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Some background noise is there. Let us see if you can mute.
So the inventory, we also have a project management where you can actually manage your projects and the project. And these are the analytics which the CRM generates: sales performance, service performance, your call center statistics, and other reports are there. This is where you manage your organization, your users, branches, branch heads. And these are the other general tools. Import, you can bulk import data into the system. There are various lead sources. There's a knowledge base where actually you can promulgate the policies of the company so that users can know how to deal with various cases. There are various email templates for different requirements, templates, the queries which are raising, the price books, the workflows, and process flow charts. So these are the general tools that are available in the CRM. So this is, and this dashboard, what you see is actually fully customizable dashboard. And so this is one kind of dashboard, and here you see another kind of dashboard. This is our own internal CRM which we use, where it's a customized dashboard which we have. Sales, service, dashboard, call centers, how many calls have been made, all analytics are there. This is a typical dashboard for a migration part. Okay, so just to show the different kind of dashboard what we have. This is for a business to customer, B2C demo, which we have for where we have the same sales dashboard, service dashboards, and the process. So I will just run you through how a CRM Dialer works. So we start the sales with the leads. So in the system, we have only 26 leads. These are all searchable. The system automatically, one of the greatest enemies in most of the business actually are the duplicates. The system automatically tracks your duplicates so that the duplicates are taken care. You know which customer is, which lead is already there, which customer has got different multiple. That kind of information is available. So now to create a lead, you just have to create lead, put the name, email ID. You can have multiple email IDs, multiple phone numbers, and you can follow up on the leads. So this is I'm not creating a lead because of paucity time. I will go through a lead which is already created. So this is a lead which is already created. And this is a lead which is there, which is created on 19th December. This lead is created, and it is still under a follow-up stage. Now, suppose if I want to call the lead, all I have to do is just to click on these numbers. When I click on the number, my phone pops up. I answer the call, and the call gets connected to the customer. This is okay. Hello. So my customers, hello, you are audible. How are you? Are you interested in buying a PBX? Okay. So I hang up the call, and I can actually update here. I'm interested, sales closed. Okay. And say PBX. Okay. So it's primarily for a B2C. There is not a PBX, but can be something else. And I can create a new customer by clicking here, and the customer gets created. And thereafter, I can raise the invoice. It's a very simple process which is there. And suppose if the customer calls me back, suppose I'm working on something else, and this customer calls me back straight away, this customer page pops up. Just waiting for the customer to call back. Okay, so this is the typical. So this is the sales. So this is the call which has come. So I take the call. So once I take the call, automatically his page opens up. The person whom I called, the page opens up, and I know he's calling back. Okay, he's come up with a new request. Okay, new request created. Okay, see. So I've hanged the call. Okay, so whatever calls I made, the recordings is available in the system. Like here, if I know here. So this is the calls which I made. The calls which I made today, 15:27. The recordings will take little time to come. So I will show you what before we close this in. This is whatever interaction history I made. Everything is captured. So I know this customer. What are the complaints of the customer? The meetings I had done, the billings I had done, and what status, what billings, what are the payments which are received. Every aspect of the customer is covered in this application. So this is how a CRM dialer effectively work with a business. So simple thing. The customers will have like I'll just come to this. Open another instance. Okay. So we have all lot of dimensions. We know what all the. Okay, sorry. Okay, I need to log out from here. So we know what is the actions to be done today. What is for actions today, and what the agent has to do is just to open his list and keep dialing one by one and update the call results. It's a very simple process that has been configured for the users. The training effort required for the users are fairly very low, and it is a killer product which we have been selling to many businesses across the country. So this is a typical sales B2C sales process. I will now show a process for a automobile sales. So this is the instance for a auto sales CRM where actually you have a lead, you have a booking, and then on the booking you create a various vehicle allocation. This shows the inventories which are available in the system. So coming to I start the sales with a lead. I create a lead. So just to show you how a CRM transacts for a typical B2C automobile sales, I'd say it is a demo on webinar. So in case it is B2B, I just put the thing. I had to select a number. I put an email. It's not mandatory. I can choose the gender, date of birth. There are some things that are actually mandatory. I just show which is the lead source, how the lead has come in. Okay, so what is the thing, and then thereafter I can save this lead. So once the lead is saved, I can make a call like I showed you that way, and I can update the lead status here, like no interested. What is the remarks? And he said he's supposed interested in this particular product. I can choose that, and thereafter I can convert into booking. So this particular lead is converted to a booking. So I choose this demo webinar is my new inquiry for a particular lead. I choose the product also. So I can show, I can see in my using what is vehicle. Now this particular vehicle is available. So I choose a vehicle, and there are different variants. Which variant I can choose. Okay. So this variant is available. So I choose this particular variant. Let me see the variant is available. E-vehicle A703. Okay. This is available. Okay. So I choose this and I create a booking. So once that is done, this further transactions, I do it on the booking modules. This demo webinar is created. Thereafter, I can follow up here. I can do the financials. I can give discount, anything you want. And thereafter, I create a sales order for my inventory allocations. So I create the sales order. I choose the product which I want to choose, and I save it. And once an item is selected, I create a delivery order. So we automatically, the inventories also is depleted once I create a delivery order and the item gets delivered. So these are just to show you what all facilities are there, and I choose which warehouse. I need to choose this is not available in this particular warehouse, and this is done. And automatically your sales, financials, your payment receipt, everything is actually built in with the user transaction. Multiple branches transact. The system is connected to the dialer, and also with the service management. These are the vehicles which are under service, and you need to the service follow-up is also done very systematic way in the system itself. So this is the particular service which are there. So this particular vehicle, what is due for service, the system automatically create the service due and trigger notification to the call center to make the calls. They make the call, they take the service booking, and once the service booking is done, it is gone to the it goes to the service branch to update whether the service is done. So what is the kilometer reading? What are the services done? The vehicle is punched in, and once the vehicle is punched in, the service done. What is the service done? What is the kilometer run? And what is the next service date? It's all automated. And when is the next service date? After 6 months. So automatically after 6 months, the system will automatically send a trigger when the customer satisfaction feedback. So every aspect of a automobile industry is covered. I just showed you. I just gone in little depth for the automobile sector. Similarly, we have for financial services, for migration, for B2B process. So during the question and answer session, in case you want to show more details about any industry vertical, I will be showing you that. So just to show you, this is a very simple and most affordable CRM with a plugin dialer, which our customers have done. The sales volume has increased tremendously with the implementation of the CRM dialer. Every user activity has been tracked. Every opportunity is not left untouched with the power of the CRM dialer. So I've stopped here, and I will be answering the question and answer, and I will come back with further demos based on the question and answer sessions.
Okay. Thank you, Daniel sir, for taking us through our CRM dialer and showing us the demo on the various industry verticals. Let us move to our question and answer sessions. To start with, the question comes from Mr. Kirti Kumar. We had your CRM using a click to call via astTECS. Can you integrate your offerings with our existing vTiger?
Okay, vTiger itself, we can actually modify. We can primarily you want further improvements to your vTiger, we can look at it and we can give you a solution.
Okay. Before starting to the next questions, all the participants, if you have any queries, you can unmute yourself and ask the questions, or you can drop in the chat box so that we can attend the questions one by one. The next question has come from Mr. Amulya Das. Is it mandatory to have the CRM in the cloud, or we can host in our office itself?
Yeah, I showed in the presentation, we can have it on the cloud as well as on your premises, on a hardware.
Yeah. By that time, you have given me the first architecture. Looking at that architecture, it was a query for me, but subsequently, you have shown the diagram of the cloud. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. The next question has come from Mr. Aaron. He has asked, can we integrate with a WhatsApp or a Facebook, etc., other third-party integrations?
Yes. We have shown you here. We have already integrated with WhatsApp. We also have Facebook to capture the leads into the CRM. When a Facebook ad campaigns create a lead, automatically it gets registered to the CRM. We also integrate with the website. Your web forms, whenever it is filled, it automatically comes to the CRM and get assigned to the agent as per the rule you define in the CRM.
Thank you, sir. The next question came from Mr. David. For which all domains the CRM is readily available? I think we already put it in our presentations. Basically, he was referring to the various verticals, I guess. Mr. David, if you are online, you can unmute and elaborate your question.
Yeah, I was I just wanted to know for which all domains, like
education sector or automobile, real estate, for which all domains this CRM is now readily available to deliver
Yeah,
on
so
immediate
that's
basis.
what I've showed you on my presentation, that we have primarily for any B2B business, primarily a large value sales where you create a lead, you do lead nurturing, any product. We have a CRM for that, along with the inventory, project management. That's one vertical for manufacturing industries to sell the product. Second industry is for the financial services. Third is for the education, migration, and visa processing and recruitment. And recruitment solution. These are the industry verticals where we have ready to go live solutions which are available. And in case you are coming up with a new vertical, we can still develop it for you, but it's not, as of now, it's not ready. So we need to develop it, and it will take, see, when I say ready means the solution will be, the default version will be up in your server within 24 hours of you raising the PO. And thereafter it is a customization and uploading of data and training, which generally 7 to 28 days is actually what the time frame we say for getting the solution live. When it is not industry ready, then we need to develop it. So that will take a little more time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. The next question has come from Mr. Abulya Das again. What is the cost of these CRM solutions for our end customers?
Okay, now this CRM solution, since it's feature rich, even though we call it open source, there is a licensing element due to which the solutions are priced above, the default solution is priced above 3 lakhs and 3 lakhs Indian rupees. And whatever additional customization integration cost will be extra. The dialer will be extra. Dialer based on the trunk and the number of users will be extra. So overall, a CRM dialer will come to close to about 6 to 7.5 lakhs.
Thank you, sir. The next question has come from Mr. Arvind. Can we integrate with inventory management?
Okay.
Farindra, okay.
No. The Mr. Arvind question is, can we also integrate with inventory management?
Yeah. Say again, I not got the question. Integration with?
Can we integrate with the inventory management?
Inventory management, of course. It's got a built-in, the system has got a built-in inventory management. In case you are using a separate inventory management, the data can be pulled out from there and brought into the CRM. Or we can directly use the inventory management in your application to trigger the sales process. Whichever way it can be done. That's not an issue. It can be integrated. As long as the software inventory management has got an API, we can integrate it.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I hope, Arvind, your question has been replied. If any further queries,
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so one part which I missed is actually we have a mobile app also, which is, since we give a solution on a per instance basis, there is no general mobile app. It is for each instance, there's a mobile app. So it's suppose you take a CRM dialer solution from us, a mobile app will be designed specifically for you, which is made exclusively for that particular customer. So that is the mobile app which you provide with whatever features you want to have it in the mobile app will be delivered.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I think the next question is also related to that, which is asked by Mr. Senthil Kumar. Mobile app is available for the task management from the supervisor.
Yeah, it's available. So whichever way it will be customized mobile app.
Okay. Moving on to the next questions. The next questions came from Mr. Saju. Canada, Australia, New Zealand study abroad and the migration visa process are already preloaded with you, or will you customize as per our needs?
Yeah, already we have the process available, and further customization what you want for your business will be done. We are fully, our team is fully conversant with the process and updated with the process for Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. This process is already there. Courtesy, we have a client who's having those services, and accordingly we can customize it specific to your industry at a very nominal cost.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Sanju, I hope your question has been answered. If you have any further questions, you can unmute yourself and ask. Moving to the next question. The next question is come from Mr. Aaron again. Can we integrate with the accounting solutions like SAP?
Yeah, we are already running CRM instances integrated with SAP. And ideally, we would recommend, like I've shown you a CRM dialer, which is integrated to the calling solution. Ideally, any CRM, now these days, it's all integrated. Any software has to be integrated with a accounting tool or other third party so that you can get maximum value out of the software. So we have integrated with SAP. Any accounting tools we can integrate. It's a tight integration what we do, and it's done and it can be done.
Thank you, sir. The next question has come from Mr. Pradeep Nair. Can we integrate with the ERP or any third-party business tools and any marketing tools like email, campaigns, various integrations?
Yes, as I told you, all these applications has got its built-in APIs. Any software which has got APIs, the solution can be integrated. So only thing we need to define the business rules. What data has to go from which software to that software, and accordingly the sync frequency or the process flow will be written while implementing the solutions.
Thank you, sir. I think that this is the last questions which we are attending. Before we wrap up, I would request all the participants, if you have any further questions, you can just unmute and ask so that we can attend to your queries.
No, Daniel sir, my question was basically like, it is been answered partially, but what I'm saying, like, we already have a like so many customers who are using our IPPBX. Okay, so almost like telephony is already there. So I exactly wanted to know if it is a, let's say, unlimited user. Maybe my organization already have some 200-300 users, and I'm also looking at expanding it. Maybe 100-200 more very soon. So what would be the cost of a sales and service CRM together, sales and service together for my clients? What would be the end customer price for the client? That's what, if you can really tell us.
Yeah, it's primarily I told you the CRM, sales CRM, service CRM with integration to the PBX on cloud. Okay, the solution, price what I'm telling is actually for the software. It's about 3.5 lakhs, and there will be a cloud hosting charges. Okay, the cloud hosting charge, and it's a very it's a very nominal investment for him to actually generate more value out of the IPPB solution.
So once I pay these 3 lakhs or 3.5 lakhs, then if I have to increase my users to 100 more, so there is nothing I have to pay as a
nothing you have to pay. Only thing, the server sizing may have to slightly go up. Yeah, based on the number of concurrent users logging onto the CRM, the server hosting parameters may change. Your RAM may change, or your processor may change. That's the only difference you need to pay.
Okay. And I also have a customer, Mr. Saju, who is there. I think he has asked interesting questions about Canada, Australia, and New Zealand. I also have a similar kind of. Mr. Saju Varghese, are you there?
I think it's on mute.
Yeah. If you are there, if it is fully answered your query, otherwise, if you exactly.
Oh yeah, he has messaged that it is. He has just shown the thumbs up. That means his question has been answered.
Okay, great. Because I also have a same kind of a customer. Probably they also take care of this study, counseling, and consulting for these countries. So discussion is in progress. Yeah, now anybody?
Yeah, I have one question. In Qatar, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In Qatar, the WhatsApp outgoing calls are blocked. Maybe if you want to call, we can use the VPN or like this. How this CRM is using for the outgoing calls through WhatsApp?
CRM doesn't enable outgoing calls through WhatsApp. You need to subscribe to a WhatsApp business API. As the customer, he has to have the ownership of the WhatsApp account. And once you subscribe to the WhatsApp business API, the credentials need to be shared to it, and we will integrate the API to the CRM, and the calls per se are not permitted by this business API. Only the chats are permitted. Chats on a template, and there is a cost. There is a cost you need to pay to WhatsApp for every messages every 24 hours. The costs are country specific. It is laid on the WhatsApp website, where for if you when you want to initiate a chat, you need to pay some $0.003 or something to the WhatsApp. And after that, for the next 24 hours, the chat with that particular customer is free. It's only for chat is actually the WhatsApp Business API permits. They don't permit to make calls from CRM using WhatsApp.
Okay.
For any country, not only Qatar, any country.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Basically, you are telling it's a WhatsApp business integration, but calls goes with the telephony trunk.
So it's
We have Karthikeya sir. Sir, some inputs from your end. I think Karthikeya Sharma sir, if you can hear me. Sir is on mute. Okay, so anybody have any other query related to this, related to astTECS? Actually, you can switch on, and I think if somebody has some urgent work and would like to leave the bridge, leave this webinar, I think they can also do that.
okay. I think we are not receiving any more queries as of now. Thank you so much, all the participants, for participating in this webinar session of CRM Dialer. If you have any further questions or any queries, you can always send us to our email ID, sales@astix.com or info@astix.com, or you can connect with your regional managers or our franchise manager if you have any query in the pricing on the customers setup installations or any customizations required. Till then, we take a leave, and we'll be coming up with a new webinar session in the next coming months. And we'll be also coming up with a new product innovations on AI and Alexa integration, which is still on the project's development. So please stay tuned with us. We will update you on the when we launch the products. So till then, take care. Bye bye.